If you've had beef jerky before, you've probably had Jack Link's beef jerky, but today I'll be telling you how to make your own beef jerky. To start, you want to freeze your beef. Putting the beef in the freezer for a short time helps firm the beef. After freezing the beef, making uniform cuts will be easier, and you want all your slices to be around the same size. Next, you want to marinate your beef. Adding salt or salty ingredients helps denature and break down some of the muscle protein. Denatured proteins bind to water inside the beef, making it more tender and flavorful. The next step is to set the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is low because the purpose is to remove enough water that any microorganisms are unable to grow on the jerky. Then you want to bake your jerky until it is completely dry so that there is a low moisture content, which stops microbial growth. Homemade beef jerky can be stored at room temperature, but it would be most ideal to be stored in a cool, dry place like a refrigerator. Homemade beef jerky can last up to 1 to 2 months with proper storage. It is important to properly store your homemade beef jerky because you don't want your beef jerky looking like this with mold and unable to eat from all the bacteria left on your beef jerky.